All right, gentlemen, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
And now this is the rule of the game. For every question you answer, you have 1 point. Okay. And now, if you don't know a particular question, I'm sending the points to the next question. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
For question number 2, what is the most important factor in photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis. Water.
What's the important factor in photosynthesis?
Water.
Final answer.
Water.
Final answer.
Water.
What is the most important factor in photosynthesis?
Sunlight.
Final answer.
Sunlight.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
Final answer.
Water.
Sunlight is correct. Sunlight is correct. Now, what am I asking? Alright, next question. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
What is the full meaning of the word MC? You know what MC is? You know what an MC is? Those MCs that usually take on programs. Huh? Yes, exactly, on birthday parties and the stuff. The M and the C. Do you know what it means?
MC. Music chair program.
Huh?
The one that used to chair program.
Yes, the MCs. What does the MC mean? The M and the C. What does it mean?
Mentia.
Final answer.
Mentia.
What does the word MC mean?
Birthday parties.
The MC, the word MC. No idea? Alright, the word MC means master of ceremonies. Okay? Now what am I asking? Who's next?
Me.
Alright, next question. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
What is the device used in measuring speed?
Speedometer.
That is perfectly correct. Now both of you are in tie, okay? Speedometer is correct. Now who's next? Okay, now next question. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Next question. What is the color of a ruby?
What is a ruby?
It's a stone.
Stone?
Yeah, it's a stone. You know what a ruby is?
Stone?
Yes. A precious stone is something like a stone. What is the color of a ruby? Do you know a ruby?
Like a diamond.
What?
It's like a diamond. It's very, it makes you wealthy.
Okay, so what color of a ruby? What is the color of a ruby?
It has a diamond shape and it also looks like a diamond and it's shining.
The color, what is color?
Diamond.
What is the color?
Diamond.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Final answer.
Diamond.
Right, what is the color of a ruby?
Red.
Red is perfectly correct. I said the color of a ruby. Red is perfectly correct. So, what's the number?
3-2.
3-2. What am I asking? Who's next?
Me.
Who's done? Alright. Next question. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
For the next question. What is the medical term for the inability to sleep? When you're unable to sleep, how do you call that term?
When you're unable to sleep.
Yes.
Restless.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
What do you call the term for the inability to sleep?
For the inability to sleep, call that bedtime.
That is incorrect. It's called insomnia. Say insomnia.
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 Alright. Now, what am I asking? Who's done? Alright. Next question. What is the full meaning of the word AI? Have you been hearing about AI?
Yes. Yes. ID card.
The full meaning of the word AI.
What's the meaning of AI?
It's on your phone. Do you have phone? Are you using phones?
No, I do not have phone.
You don't have a phone. What class are you?
I'm from 1.
From 1? You know the full meaning of AI? Alright, what is the full meaning of A? What class are you?
JSS1.
Both of you are in JSS1.
Same class.
Same class. Same class.
Yes.
Alright, what is the full meaning of AI?
Artificial intelligence.
That is correct. Artificial intelligence. How does he know and you don't know? Alright. Okay, that's fun, eh?
In the movie Iron Man, when he and Tony Stark made their
Okay, you used to watch movies.
I used to study.
Okay. Alright, whose son is next?
me.
Whose son is next? Okay, your turn, eh?
Yes.
Alright. Now, for next question, are you ready?
Yes.
Multiply 25 by 100, what do you get? You have 5 seconds to give your answer. 5. Multiply 25 by 100. 5.
2,500.
That is perfectly correct. Alright, next question to you now. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
What number are you?
4.
Okay. 4. 2. Next question. Animals that live in water are called?
Sea animals.
Huh?
Sea animals.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
I'm sending it to him. Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Animals that live in water are called? Stop, I will disqualify him. How to call animals that live in water? Please, if you show him, I will disqualify him. If you want to answer, come on board. The money is for you. You want to come in? Alright. Animals that live in water are called? You have 5 seconds to give your answer. 5. 4.
No.
Alright. Both of you have 0 marks. Whose turn is next? You still have chance to catch up, okay? Alright. Okay, it's turn, eh? Alright, next question. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Next question. What is the sum of angles in a triangle?
The sum of angles in a triangle, 180 degrees.
Wow, that is probably correct. Oh, you're very smart. Alright, next question. Are you ready? Now you're what?
5.
Alright, now this is your last question. You understand? Just answer. He has already won, but just answer, okay? Yeah? Alright, next question. Are you ready? Next question. Which artist in Sierra Leone has the slogan, "Are you ready now?" in the songs?
Lintunom.
Jesus is Lord.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
The artist that has the slogan, "Are you ready now?" in the song is called? Be confident.
That man that sing.
Audible.
That man that sing. About this music. I don't know the man name, but I can remember the music that this man sing.
Be audible. What is the song? What is the song?
What is the song? God in people and they move. God in people and they move.
Okay, so but you don't know his name.
No, I don't know.
So why you tell it from?
Because when Lintunom sing for the Prince of Wales School, he used that.
Oh.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Alright, now, so how to call the artist in Sierra Leone that has the slogan, "Are you ready now?"
Ben 10 over 10.
Okay, that is
Ben 10.
What's your name?
10. Point blank.
what's wrong?
His actual name.
Alright, Ben 10 over 10 is correct. So unfortunately, come close. Unfortunately, we have a winner for this game, and the winner is, you take this 20 years, okay? And let me dash you, okay? Congratulations to you, okay? And congratulations to you. Eh? Okay, please don't forget to follow us on our social media platform at A&G Curiosity Corner. Thank you very much. Peace.